Well, so our little summary of the scatter plot is that it is very practical when we have huge amount of data, it's like thousands of points, and then we want to see if there's a distribution trends, whether it's going to be like a linear regression or it's be other relational data. Okay, next, let's get back to our final last chart, which is the pie charts. So what is a pie chart? So a pie chart is a circular graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. So it is pie chart because its shape has got a pie. It's like a pie, and then there's like a round like a red circles in it, and then we have a different percentage proportional to its areas. So the point of a pie chart is to show the relation of parts out of a whole. So say for example, we have a little demo here. So we have A, B, C, D, like these kind of different areas, and then each proportions, so based on different areas of different colors, is proportion to how many data points of A is taken out of the whole. So say for example, from this pie chart, we can see A and B roughly takes like relatively the same, and then it takes the majority of the charts, and then C takes only the smallest amount of the proportion. Okay, so let's get back to our Jupyter notebook and then see how our examples shows here using pie charts. So as we have three numerical data in our examples, we can draw a pie chart in each of them. So say for example, we want to draw a pie chart according to the age. So what we're going to do is we can use a dot pie, this function here, which is give us the pie charts. And then these are the labels, so we can just give it the name. So according to different ranges of the ages groups, we give it like a B, C, D, F, G, up to J. And then this one here is for the formatting style. So say for example, we have so this one here means that we can have like a floating points percentage, and then we have a decimal point of 1. So we have 0.7, so which is rounded to the first decimal points here. And then the shade is true, meaning that we have different shades. And then next we're gonna do plot.show. So we can roughly say like for age distributions, they're relatively kind of the same. It's ranging from like 7 something, which is the lowest one, to like 10 or 12. So it's roughly like all about like 10 something or 12 something. So we can draw a conclusion that for the age, the distributions of our examples are kind of the same. And next, let's go ahead to explore what's gonna happen in our income data. So same rules here. We use the pie function here, and then with this one here, we want to have like the insights our income. So the data we input in it is our data, is our data frames income column, and they will also give us like labels, which is names, and same following format like rules. And then we have the shade was true. And the next step is for the graph to show to us, which is plt.show. So relatively here, we can see the different ranges of what the incomes are. So the majority taken roughly about 24.7, and then the minority will be like 2.2 only. And next, which is our sales. So same syntax here. We go .py for plottings, and then we give names. We go for the formatting style, and then we go plot.show. So this relatively kind of like more even distribution than our age. So these just basically ranking from 9% to like 11 or 10%. So which is like a really even distribution. Okay. So this is our pie charts. So thank you for joining us today, and then hope you guys learn all those 5 basics kinds of graphs, and then I'll see you in the next video.